Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.
Ukuthi unesithembu ngiyakwazi lokho kumile lapho uzoba nami sifika la siyakhona until size.
As Nimzwila Umanto Kamsilegu. I don't know whether we Manto or my Manto, but then she likes saying Manto. The promise is kept between these two. And we all know it was not easy for Umatsele to welcome second wife, third wife, and fourth wife. It was not easy, as we all know, with Kustembo. It's like a man telling you you're not enough for 5 times. Imagine 5 times, but still comes back to you and say you're the sun that brightens up my day. You're more beautiful than what. Like Isthembu is not easy, guys. Iyazifanele nje nendoda eshithayo kodwa iletha abafazi endlini iphinde bashade. But Kumacele, as it all became a norm, kuyabona like bathatha umfazi wokusi-3 I think uye umhethe kakhulu, mase bathatha ukusi-4 she was so cool noMangwabi, she was so like beseka-right. Then manje bathatha ukusi-5 yabo umjabulele uze uyamembethisa like
Ufika kankosikazi omusha mina ngizokujabulela kakhulu.
And most people on the internet think uMacele is just happy for wife number 5 because la abanye sebafila ipain le yena bekayizwa inkathi kuthathwa bona. And now yena sekajwayele lento le, guys, let's be honest. It's like now it's time for her to leave out of marriage. Usashadile yena kodwa like sekazozikhulisela abantwana bakhe and just be happy and just I'll wait for my man. I know Monday izocala ngapha endlini until Sunday uzogcina ngale kwa number 5. Mara guys, azine nanoma like ngathiwa nayi offer yokuthi thatha umshado ushade, I would never go into Isthembu. A man telling me that I'm not enough is definitely a no.
Ngiyamthanda uMacele. Inseko ukuthi kodlula izulu nomhlaba kodwa uMacele uyoma engunkosazwa kaMseleku.
And Umusa, guys, honestly loves Macele. First wife yakhe. But ngathi bongasi first lover yakhe I think bokumayini. But uMacele uyamthanda. And I think ukuthi umthanda because uMacele is a strong warrior. uMacele is a calm person. uMacele uzikhulisela uSne, wakhulisa umntana kaSne uThando. Wamthatha uMacele umama. Like, she's such a loving woman. She likes smiling, laughing. Like, she's such a cool woman, guys. Also, Suzonto uMacele usuka nenkinga. Hayi, usuka nenkinga shem. But then, guys, let's just hope ukuthi uMacele is really happy wife number 5. Akasipretendeli ukuthi like yabo sicabanga ukuthi u-right kanti akekho right. But let's just hope ukuthi nje ngiyamthanda wife number 5 and they continue this journey and I'm happy, man. Thank you guys for watching.